Hi, my name is Courtney. I'm a master esthetician here at Eterna Vein and Medical Aesthetics, and we are going to be doing a photofacial on Miss Amy today. She has some concerns with facial redness and some fine little telangiectasias in the cheeks and the chin area. We're going to use our Cynosure Icon system today, and first of all, I'm going to do a skin tell reading for her. The skin tell reader just gives us settings for specific to her skin type. I feel a little. This does not hurt. This is just a reader. So here's our skin tell reader, and we're going to take a few readings. Here we go. Ready? Okay. All right. So we have a 17 for Amy, and let's take a look at what settings we recommend. Great. All right, my dear. So I'm going to get her all prepped today and put a little Hue Matrix gel on, and we're going to test her settings here. Make sure they're specific for her concerns and get the result she needs. Get our goggles on here. Okay. So nice and cold. I'm just going to give you a test pulse down here. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. How'd that feel?
Just fine.
Okay, perfect. And then I'm going to do a little test spot here. So here we go again. Bright light. 1, 2, 3. And how did that feel?
Just fine.
Okay. All right. I'm going to just make a couple adjustments here. So let's try this again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And how are those?
Good.
Okay. Tolerable?
Definitely.
Okay. So here we go. So we're just going to kind of work our way over the cheek. Great. Now, photofacials are great for what we refer to as sun damage, and that can be anywhere from brown spots, age spots, freckles. Also really great for some facial redness, rosacea, like we're treating for Amy today. It can take as little as 3 treatments. Some people can do up to 5 as a treatment series. Still doing okay?
Oh yeah.
And Amy's going to come back in about a month for her next one. So that's roughly about every 3 to 4 weeks is when we would have our patients come in for subsequent treatments. What photofacials really are great at is just brightening the overall color and tone to the skin. So when we do remove those brown spots and even out some of that redness, she can expect to wear less makeup. She'll have an overall brighter complexion. And photofacial is really good at stimulating a little bit of collagen as well. So she'll see pore size maybe get a little bit smaller. Some finer lines in the skin will actually start to kind of diminish. Here we go again. Bright light. 1, 2, 3. And bright light. Good. You can see we just have a little pinkness to the skin, and that's to be expected. There's really no downtime with this treatment other than some redness afterwards that can last 20 minutes. If you're sensitive, it can last, a day or 2. Now, if we're treating some freckles or some sun damage, then we're pulling actually some of that pigment up, and so one can expect those freckles to actually get a little darker. Here we go. Sorry.
It's the light.
The light. So those freckles will get a little darker, and then those will actually then fall off over the course of 1 to 3 weeks. And then once those fall off, got that brighter skin being revealed. Good. Feel okay?
Yeah.
All right, so now we're going to move around, and we'll go around her chin. So I'm just going to apply a little bit more Hue Matrix gel. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm gonna have you stick your tongue under there to cover your teeth. So these ones might be a little more tender. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Okay, right in the center. Good. Go ahead and tilt to the right. Okay, right up in here. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Good. Here we go. Great. And you can see it's actually quite a quick treatment. Doesn't take much longer than about 30 minutes. Go ahead and tilt to the right for me. So some people will come in on a lunch break and do this treatment. You can easily put makeup on afterwards. The main thing with photofacials is you just want to watch sun exposure and make sure you wear a good SPF daily. So here we go again. 1, 2, 3. You okay on this side?
Yep.
Here we go again. Photofacials are also a great treatment to do after the summer season, because we know we can even get, as best as we try, some unexpected sun exposure, and all those little brown spots start to show up. Also, just sometimes aging will just bring up those freckles, those lovely age spots we call them. And photofacial is a great treatment to clear that up. Still doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Bright light. Okay, a little close. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, bright light. Bright light. Okay, a little more. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna get right in here. 1, 2, 3. Great. The handpiece itself has actually got cold in it, so this actually feels like a nice little ice cube even afterwards. How's that feel?
Very cooling.
Yes. Okay, go ahead and straighten out. Great. So if we just kind of address the areas of concern for Amy, just the redness in her cheeks and her chin. And you can even see where we just treated before. Not a lot of excessive redness. I mean, just some nice pinkness to where her main redness was. But she can easily put makeup on and she can go back to work today. And we're going to see her again in another 3 to 4 weeks. So that is the photofacial with the Cynosure icon.